Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sristhi Agarwal and today we are going to learn how to do keyword research for your blog. I think it's a very tricky question and most people are really puzzled about, how to rank your blog and what is the best way to do keyword research, what are tools that people should use, and therefore I decided that, probably we should make a video. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about 2 to 3 tools from where you can do the keyword research and the exact process of doing it. So the very first thing that I want you to do is to go and add this extension on your Chrome. If you're using Chrome, please go ahead and add this extension. It is known as Keywords Everywhere. It's a keyword tool, and since I have added it already, it's here. So it's already there on my Chrome. That is why it is saying that remove from Chrome. Otherwise, it will give you add to Chrome option. Okay, so this you have to have it. It will tell you what are the popular keywords around your main keyword. Okay, now this is how exactly Keywords Everywhere look like. So this is actually a paid tool, but we don't have to worry much about that because I'm not going to tell you to buy this. I'm just going to tell you how to use this without even buying. So that is why we have to use a combination of tools so that you don't have to spend any single penny and you can still go ahead and find the keywords that work for you. Hrefs is again a very good tool, but then it's very difficult to buy that because it's a very costly software. But with this combination of tools, you can actually find keywords and you don't have to spend any money. Okay, now after adding this, what the next process is, go to Google, not Tag Manager, Google just. Okay, so now just think what is the exact word that comes to your mind when you're looking for a blog. I'm saying about the niche also. Okay, so the best way to find keyword for your blog is, suppose my blog is on fitness. This is a very raw keyword, right? It's a very raw keyword because if you are going to look your if you're going to think that you can rank your blog on this, then let me tell you it's not easy because it's a highly competitive keyword, and probably the domains which have very high domain authority, only those are the ones which are going to come here. So you can check out what are the domains, so like self.com, health.com, webmd.com. These are the ones that are actually ranking for this keywords. These are the like top 3 websites which are coming, but we don't have to see that. We have to see an easier way of doing it. The first is you go and see for searches related to fitness, physical fitness, fitness workouts, fitness body, fitness quotes, articles, tips, gyms and equipments. Now these are the keywords which actually become your relevant keywords. So the focus keyword was fitness. Okay, now the relevant keywords are all these keywords which you're finding here. Okay, like physical fitness, fitness workout. So let me just write 4 to 5 of them which I think is going to be very beneficial for my audience. Especially it will be based on what exactly your whole blog is about. So suppose if I'm selecting fitness workout, fitness quotes and fitness tips. Okay, these are the ones. Now again, these are very highly competitive keywords, so the best way to rank your blog is to go for a long tail keyword. Long tail keyword means, like, see, fitness, there is just one word in it. When we are coming to relevant keywords, there are like 2 words in it. Long tail keywords will have, it's going to be like a phrase, so there will be 3 keywords or 4 keywords or probably 5 keywords in it. Now, why I have told you that you should have keywords everywhere tool, because just see, it is also going to give you related keywords which are very popular. So again, you can see these, and people also search for, so it will tell you what exactly people are searching for on Google when you type the word fitness. So these are the ones: fitness definition, like health and tips, fitness magazine, health and fitness tips, health and fitness essays. Now can you see, like, there are 4 words in it: health and fitness websites. Okay, so this is a keyword which is having 4 words in it, so it is a long tail keyword. Health and fitness speech, health and fitness definition. Now what we are going to do, we know what are the related keywords. We are going to go to Ubersuggest. So we know what was our main keyword, on what keyword exactly we wanted to write our blog on. we then found what are the popular searches that we have to consider, because we can't select anything that is pleasing us. It has to be searched by the audience, then only if people are looking for it, then only you're going to benefit out of it. So please go for the keywords which people are already looking for. That is what Keywords Everywhere has done it. Now I'm going to try some long tail keywords, like just say health and fitness tips. Now this is going to be again a very high competitive keyword, but I'm still going to search, and my market is India, so I'm going to search for English India and I'm going to do a search. Okay, now let me see what is the SEO difficulty and what is the search volume overall. Okay, now look at this. This is a jackpot, isn't it? The SEO difficulty is 8. Now, I always suggest the beginners that you go for an SEO difficulty between 1 to 10 if you want the blog to rank. Okay, but the search volume here is a problem. It is just having 320 as the search volume. So this is not a very good keyword to consider, but we will still keep this as one of the keywords with SEO. So basically, you can go ahead and make an Excel sheet. One column will be for your keyword, the second column will be about the search volume, and the third will be for SEO difficulty. Okay, now keep searching, because this is going to be a long process. You cannot get away with it like so easily. So just search for health and fitness websites. Now Ubersuggest also give you only free few free searches, and then again this has also become like paid. So this is going to be difficult. So we are looking for like 4 keywords, long tail keywords, so search volume is really low. So let's try, see again the difficulty is very easy, but again the search volume is not there, so that's an issue. So I'm going to try something from here, fitness workouts. So this is going to be a very competitive keyword, and let's see what is there. Definitely a workout session. So see, this is again SEO difficulty. As for Ubersuggest, this is an easy difficulty. It's not difficult to rank, and still there is a decent amount of search volume, that is 1600. Now, as a beginner, you can start with it. Search volume is okay-ish, not high search volume, but SEO difficulty is not that much also, and you can see all the green zones. These are the websites, these are the keyword ideas that you can actually find out of that particular keyword. Your main keyword that we decided to work on was fitness workouts. Now this tool is also going to give you the keyword ideas. So just see, fitness workouts, fitness workout, so there's no S, fitness exercises home, fitness training near me. Now SEO difficulty, all the green ones are easy to rank. That is what Ubersuggest is showing, and you can also see the search volume here. So we can just consider like these 2 keywords, because rest the volume is really low. So you can take them as keyword synonyms. These are the small keywords which you can put in between your article, so that anyone who hits it, you might get lucky and your website might show up. So that is there, and you can also see which are the websites that are actually ranking for this. So just see this, 6-week at home CrossFit inspired workouts. Okay, so this is a fitness workout. She has put it in brackets, fitness and then workout, so both the words are there. And just look at this, there are 33 backlinks which has been created on this particular simply sariejane.com. Okay, so this is something, so this is how exactly the keyword process is, finding a keyword process is. All you have to do is you have to look for a high search volume and low SEO difficulty. So if Ubersuggest is suggesting that the SEO difficulty is easy, you can go for it. It is showing that the estimated competition on organic search, the higher the number, the more it is competitive. So 29, it's still saying that you can go ahead and do it. So this is the best way of doing keyword research, where you don't have to actually invest any money. Just go ahead. Step 1 is go on Google and search for the keyword you're looking for. Then you go and check out what keyword everywhere is suggesting. Once you put it there on Chrome. The extension is there on Chrome. You can actually see all the related keywords here. So you can keep trying, like physical fitness definition, types of physical fitnesses. So let me just try this one. Types of fitness, physical fitnesses. So I'm not sure. So you will have to keep trying and see, because research takes a lot of time. That is where all the skill is required. So see, the SEO difficulty is pretty easy, but then again the search volume is questionable. So it is just 590. So these are the ones which you can actually make the list and see which are the ones which are easy, which ones are the ones which are difficult, what is the search volume that is coming. So keep making that Excel sheet and then see which are the keywords which are working best for you. There is another tool called Hrefs, but that is a very, very costly software, and therefore I don't recommend anybody to buy it, especially if you're a beginner. Don't buy it. And I think you get some free trial for this. Yeah, there is a start trial. You just get a 7-day trial for $7. So if you want to check out this tool, you can get it. Else, if it's not possible, just stick to those free softwares and try to make the best out of it. So I hope this whole exercise was easy for you, and this is a good start. I'm telling you, this is a very good start. You can always go ahead and do this kind of research. The best way is to make an Excel sheet and keep recording all the research you're doing, okay? And the moment when you're sitting down and writing, just make sure you search the keyword again, just to see the search volume and SEO difficulty, if it has moved or if it is still the same, and then you can go ahead and write a blog on it. So please insert the keywords properly, and also as I have told you, like where exactly should you put like your exact keywords. So maybe in one of my blogs I'll show you how to put the keywords. So suppose this is my 5-step formula to nail your blog's about me page. So if I'm targeting like about me page or some other, so I have a keyword over here. So it should be there in your title. Okay, it should be there, and then it should be there in the first line of your article, because if you are a beginner, then you will be needing that. If not, then you can still go ahead and get some relaxation for yourself. Then it should be there in the subtitles, and it should be there, the maximum keyword should be there in the first 50% of your article. That is how the crawlers work. And then you can put it in subtitles, and you can distribute it throughout your blog, and then you can also put it in conclusion. So this is how exactly your keyword research happens and how you insert it in your blog. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this session, and hopefully I have answered the very question of how to do keyword research with free tools, and hopefully it's going to help you with all the queries that you had regarding keyword research. Please put it in the comments below if you still have questions on it. Also, please subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to like this video, and please press the bell icon so that you get a notification every time I release a new video. Thank you so much for joining in today, and I'll see you in my next video.